Hi everyone, welcome to my backroom cocktail series. So in the second episode of this series, we are going to make a cocktail using soju as well. So as usual, I couldn't be bothered to find unflavored original soju. So I got this green grape soju. And then we have 7-Up or Sprite. And we have Yakult. Okay, first thing first, we need Yakult. And then pour it into a container, a jar. And normally the recipe will say 1 portion of Yakult with a portion of the same portion of soju. So I think I'm going to stick to that recipe first. So the same portion of soju into the mix. Then of course add a dash of 7-Up just for that fizzy feeling. So there you have it, the cocktail that using soju, Yakult, and also Sprite or 7-Up. Okay. So I'm going to try it and then we'll see how I can refine the recipe a little bit. Right. Oh my god, this is so good. Yeah. So nice, because I think the sweet, milky, silky kind of texture, and add a little bit of soju, the alcohol, the spirit in. I think it's really a very good combo. Okay, but then, to be honest, I think the sweetness of 7-Up and also the sweetness of Yakult kind of like overpowering the drink a little bit. So what I'm going to do is to add 1 more portion of soju into the concoction. Give it a mix. And let's see whether or not this will make the flavor more, having more kick. Because I think it was too mild just now, too mild. This is more like it. Yeah. So it depends on you. If you are the kind that like the silky, more milky and sweet drink, then you go for 1-to-1. If you want the smooth, milky flavor. But if you want a stronger drink, but still having the same sweetness and smoothness of Yakult, then you add 1 bottle with 1 portion of this and with 2 portions of soju. That would be a drink for the night. So enjoy your Friday night. Okay, sign off.